Welcome to Motorworld Lexus. My name is Jonathan Gamble, Master Certified Lexus Product Specialist, and today we are taking a look at the Lexus RX450 Hybrid F Sport. The 2021 RX450 Hybrid F Sport features an elegant yet powerful design. The sculpted body lines outline the hood and arrive at the front grille to form the signature hourglass shape. Front and center is the F Sport exclusive mesh grille with smoked chrome accents to accentuate its sporty look. This beautifully contrasts the ultra-white exterior color. As we come around the side of the RX, the floating roofline adds to its elegance and stirs the senses. The available triple beam LED headlamps offer better downrange visibility, with the daytime running lights sitting just beneath them featuring that eye-catching L shape. These 20-inch dark graphite wheels, F Sport front splitter, and rear diffuser gives this RX a unique, sporty aesthetic. We talked about what's on the surface, but what's under the hood? Here we have the Lexus Hybrid drive system, which boasts a 3.5-liter V6 engine, paired with 2 electric motors and an electronically controlled continuously variable transmission for a combined 308 total system horsepower. This results in our most powerful RX with more torque, no gear shift lag, and a combined fuel economy of 30 miles per gallon, minimizing the effect on the planet and your wallet. This system is entirely self-sustained, so you don't have to do anything different than you would in its gasoline counterpart. And the best part is, there's no need to plug it in. Just fill it up with gas, drive, and the car does the rest. At this point, you're probably thinking, wow, this sounds so complicated, what happens when I have to get something fixed? Lexus has you covered with their hybrid warranties. In addition to their 4-year 50,000-mile comprehensive warranty, their 6-year 70,000-mile powertrain warranty, Lexus offers 8 years or 100,000 miles of warranty on their hybrid components, and to take that even further, they offer a 10-year, 150,000-mile warranty on the hybrid batteries, letting you know that if you ever have an issue, they have you covered. Now that we've talked about what powers the RX Hybrid, let's take a look inside. As soon as we step inside, the first things I notice are the F Sport seats, the F Sport steering wheel, the aluminum trim here in the center console and along the door panels, and the aluminum pedals down below. Sitting here in the driver's seat, you'll notice just how driver-centric this vehicle is, with all of the controls within arm's reach. Here in the center console, just in front of the gear selector, we have a wireless charging pad now on these RXs. To the side of that, we have 2 USBs, offering enough charging for both the 2 passengers in the front, and then as we move to the back of the vehicle, there are going to be 2 more inside the center console and 2 on the back side of the center console. Just in front of that, we have our heated and our ventilated seats, offering our guests the ability to heat or cool their seats to their own needs. And moving off to the side of that, we have a nice little pocket now where we can set our smartphones so we don't have to keep them in our pocket or use up one of these cup holders. Moving beyond that, we have this touchpad. This touchpad allows us to control the screen. Doing so acts just like a laptop, so you move your finger along the trackpad and it actually moves the cursor on the screen. Additionally, if you're not comfortable using that, you'd rather use a touchscreen, this is a 12.3-inch touchscreen display, making it very, very easy for our guests to simply point and touch whatever it is they want to control. Just on the top of this pad, there are 3 buttons. There's map, menu, and a back button. If we hit the map button, it brings the map up on our main screen here. When we hit menu, it allows us to change what we're looking at on the screen. So we can see, again, our map, our audio, we can have our phone conversations, we can hook up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle, and we can also check fuel economy, and given that this is a hybrid, we can even see just how that hybrid system works. When out on the road and you push the pedal down, the engine and electric motors are going to accelerate you forward, giving you the full power of the hybrid system. When you let off and start to coast, or if you engage the brakes, the electric motors act like generators and use the heat that is normally lost and converts it into electric power to recharge the batteries. Want that true sport enthusiast feel? Sport Plus, which is going to tighten the suspension and the steering wheel, for that true, authentic, sporty experience. For true peace of mind, the Lexus RX offers 3 years of Safety Connect, also known as the SOS button. That links this vehicle up with our emergency center so that should you ever have a concern or an issue with your vehicle, one touch of that button puts you in contact with them so you can get the help that you need. Standard on the 21RX are an abundance of safety features. Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0 includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist, dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and intelligent high beam headlamps. Additionally, blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert are now also standard. Available on the RX is intuitive parking assist. These are sensors that are located in the front and rear of the vehicle that are going to let us know as we're pulling in or backing into a spot if there are any obstructions there. Uncompromising performance, better fuel economy, and less emissions means a smaller carbon footprint to our planet while maintaining a comfortable drive you would expect from a Lexus. Visit your local Lexus dealer where you can drive greener and experience amazing in a Lexus RX 450 Hybrid.